One of the most powerful feelings in the world is being able to take care of yourself, not needing help to get out of bed, make your own coffee, walk to the mailbox, or go for a stroll through the park. It's not about climbing mountains or running marathons anymore. It's about feeling steady, strong, and capable in your own daily life. And believe me, that independence, that's priceless. Now, maybe you've noticed little things lately, like getting up from a chair feeling a bit harder than it used to, or maybe walking upstairs feels like a mini workout. That's completely normal. Our bodies change as we age, but the beautiful part? We still have so much control over how we age. Today, I want to talk to you like I would a dear friend. Because I know you're not looking for a complicated gym plan or intense workouts. What you want is something simple, something real, something that'll help you stay active, independent, and full of life. And that's exactly what we're going to talk about. 6 easy daily exercises that you can do right at home, no fancy equipment needed, that will keep your muscles strong, your balance steady, and your confidence high. These movements may seem small, but they pack a big punch when it comes to keeping your independence after 65. Let's begin with one of the most important areas, your legs. They're your foundation. They help you stand tall, move freely, and stay balanced. So let's talk about a simple move that supports all of that. Imagine you're sitting on a chair, something comfortable and sturdy. Now, without using your hands, slowly stand up, then sit back down. That's it. That's called a sit to stand, and it's one of the most underrated but effective exercises for older adults. It strengthens your thighs, your hips, and your core. And more than that, it directly mimics something you do every single day. Now think about it. How many times do you get in and out of chairs, sofas, the car, or even the toilet each day? This little motion is the key to keeping that ability strong. The more you practice it, the easier those daily moments become. Start with just 5 sit-to-stands a day, maybe during your favorite show. Slowly build it up. You'll be surprised how quickly your strength improves, and how proud you'll feel the next time you stand up without needing to push off the armrest. Next, let's move to something that doesn't get talked about enough: balance. It's not just about avoiding falls. It's about feeling confident when you move. Walking on uneven sidewalks, reaching for a book on a high shelf, or stepping into the tub. All of these moments rely on balance. And there's a gentle little move that can help improve it without making you break a sweat. Stand behind a chair and lightly hold on to the back for support. Then gently lift one foot off the ground and hold it there for 10 seconds. That's it. Switch legs and do the same on the other side. If 10 seconds feels too long at first, start with 5. Do it once a day. Over time, try letting go of the chair, just for a second or two. This one movement helps train your body to stay upright even when you're a little wobbly. And it's amazing how this tiny habit builds real, life-saving balance. You might even find yourself feeling more secure when walking outside or getting up at night for a glass of water. That little fear of what if I trip, it starts to fade away. And that, my friend, is the kind of confidence that makes every step feel a little lighter. Let's talk about another important area, your upper body. Keeping your shoulders, arms, and back strong makes simple tasks like carrying groceries, picking up grandkids, or even just opening a jar so much easier. One of the best ways to strengthen these muscles doesn't involve lifting weights or using fancy machines. You can do it with just your own body. While standing or sitting upright, clasp your hands together in front of you. Then slowly push your hands against each other, holding that pressure for about 5 seconds. Release and repeat. This is called isometric training, and it's gentle on the joints while still waking up those upper body muscles. You can also try a gentle wall push-up. Stand a few feet from a wall, place your hands flat against it at shoulder height, and slowly lower yourself toward the wall, then push back. Like a regular push-up, but much more manageable. Even doing a few of these a day can help build noticeable strength. These movements not only help with daily tasks, but they also improve your posture. And good posture, that helps with breathing, energy, and overall mood. You'll feel taller, more alert, and more in control. It's a wonderful feeling. So now that we've looked at how to strengthen your legs with sit-to-stands, boost your balance with simple single-leg stands, and awaken your upper body with wall push-ups or hand presses, we're already laying a strong foundation for a more independent and active life. And the best part is, you don't need to do them all at once. Sprinkle them throughout your day, while waiting for your tea to brew during a commercial break, or even as part of your morning routine. It's not about doing everything perfectly. It's about doing something consistently. Let's keep this momentum going. Now, once we've built that foundation of strength and balance, there's something else we need to keep in mind: flexibility. Staying limber is just as important as staying strong. It's what helps you bend over to tie your shoes, reach behind to fasten a necklace, or stretch your arms up to grab that cereal box from the top shelf. It's those little moments that matter, and keeping your joints and muscles flexible means you can move more freely and comfortably through your day. One of the easiest ways to improve flexibility is with a simple shoulder roll. Just sit or stand up tall, relax your arms at your sides, and roll your shoulders gently backward in a circular motion. Then switch directions and roll them forward. Take a few deep breaths as you do this. Doesn't that feel good? This tiny movement helps loosen tight muscles in your neck and upper back, areas that get stiff from things like watching TV, reading, or even just standing still for long periods. Doing this every morning or before bed is like giving your shoulders a little massage. And the more you do it, the easier it becomes to lift your arms, turn your head, and carry yourself with ease. And while we're talking about flexibility, don't forget about your lower back and hips. These areas can become tight without us even realizing it, especially if we've been sitting for long stretches. One gentle movement I love is the seated knee-to-chest stretch. Sit in a sturdy chair and slowly bring one knee toward your chest. Hold it gently with both hands for a few seconds, only as far as is comfortable. Then release and switch to the other leg. This stretch wakes up your hips and helps keep your lower back happy. It's amazing how just a few minutes of stretching each day can change how your entire body feels. You'll walk a little smoother, move a little freer, and even sleep a little better at night. Now let's talk about something that's often overlooked but incredibly important: your ankles and feet. These little workhorses carry you everywhere, and keeping them strong and mobile is key to staying steady on your feet. Plus, strong ankles can actually help prevent falls by improving your reaction time when you trip or stumble. One simple thing you can do right now is called ankle circles. Sit in a chair, lift one foot slightly off the ground, and gently rotate your ankle in a circle. First one direction, then the other. Switch to the other foot. That's it. It may seem small, but this movement keeps your ankle joints flexible and helps improve circulation in your legs. Another great one is the toe lift and heel lift. While standing behind a chair for balance, lift your heels off the ground so you're standing on your toes. Hold for a second, then lower and lift your toes instead. This strengthens the muscles in your calves and the front of your lower legs, the same ones that help you walk, climb stairs, and stay upright when the ground isn't so steady. These small foot and ankle exercises, when done daily, can make a huge difference. You'll feel more grounded, more balanced, and more confident every time you take a step. And while we're moving through all these areas of the body, legs, balance, arms, flexibility, ankles, it's easy to forget the most important connection of all, your breath. Every movement becomes easier when you're breathing deeply and steadily. In fact, breathing alone can be an exercise. Try this. Sit comfortably, place one hand on your stomach, and breathe in slowly through your nose, feeling your belly rise. Then breathe out through your mouth, feeling your belly fall. That's called diaphragmatic breathing, and it's not just relaxing. It actually helps improve oxygen flow, reduce tension, and support your body during movement. When you pair deep breathing with any of the exercises we've talked about, you'll notice your body feels more in tune. Your shoulders loosen. Your thoughts slow down. It's like giving your mind and muscles a moment of peace. The beautiful thing is, none of this needs to be perfect. You don't need to remember every move in perfect order. What matters is that you're moving, that you're showing up for yourself, one small step at a time. You're not too old. It's not too late. Your body is still listening to you, and every time you move it with care, you're telling it, I still need you. I still believe in you. You don't need a gym or a personal trainer or a long list of to-dos, you just need a few minutes, a chair, a little space, and the belief that even the smallest effort can lead to big changes. Because let's be honest, independence isn't about doing everything alone. It's about feeling capable, strong, and secure in the life you want to live. It's about knowing you can take care of yourself, get around safely, and enjoy the little moments that bring joy to your day. And these small daily exercises, they're your secret weapon. Now that we've worked on strength, balance, flexibility, and even your feet and ankles, let's move to the next area of focus, your heart. That's right. The health of your heart plays a crucial role in your overall independence. And the great news is we can keep our hearts in top shape with simple, gentle exercises that raise our heart rate just enough to keep it strong. One of the best ways to work your heart without putting too much strain on it is by incorporating a low-impact activity into your day. Walking is one of the most accessible and effective exercises you can do. It's free, requires no special equipment, and you can do it anywhere. Whether you're walking around your house, down the hallway, or around the block, just get your legs moving. If you're comfortable, try adding in some gentle arm swings, or even walking up and down a set of stairs. You don't need to walk for hours. Just 10 to 15 minutes can do wonders for your heart. And the more you walk, the more you'll start to feel the difference. Your energy will increase, your heart will thank you, and you'll feel stronger and more alive. Plus, walking outdoors can do wonders for your mental health, so why not grab your hat and coat and take in a little fresh air? For some of you, though, walking might not feel comfortable just yet, and that's okay. There are other ways to get your heart pumping. A seated march is an excellent option. Simply sit tall in a chair with your feet flat on the floor, then gently lift one knee at a time as if you're marching in place. You can speed it up or slow it down depending on what feels best for you. The idea is to get your body moving even if you're sitting down. This small low-impact exercise keeps your circulation going and gives your heart a gentle workout without the need to stand up or strain. Another heart-healthy exercise that's great for seniors is swimming or water aerobics. If you have access to a pool, this is an excellent way to get a full-body workout that's easy on your joints. The water supports your body and reduces the risk of injury, while the gentle resistance helps tone muscles and improve cardiovascular fitness. Whether you're just walking through the water or doing some light swimming, you'll feel more buoyant, more energized, and more confident. But of course, every heart-healthy activity is better when it's done consistently. So try to make it a habit. Find an activity that works for you and make it part of your routine. Maybe it's walking in the morning, a few minutes of seated marching after lunch, or even a water aerobics class a couple of times a week. Start with what feels comfortable and build from there. You'll be amazed at how quickly your stamina improves and how much better you feel. Before we wrap up, let's talk about one last but crucial aspect of staying independent after 65: mental and emotional well-being. It's just as important as physical health, if not more so. A positive mindset can motivate you to keep moving, stay active, and live life to the fullest. So how do we keep our minds sharp and positive? One simple but powerful practice is gratitude. Each day, take a moment to think about the things you're thankful for, whether it's a beautiful sunrise, the comfort of your home, or simply the ability to move your body. Gratitude has been shown to reduce stress, increase happiness, and even improve physical health. Try keeping a gratitude journal where you write down 3 things you're thankful for every day. They don't have to be big things, just small moments that bring you joy. Over time, this simple practice can help shift your mindset and give you a renewed sense of purpose and happiness. It's a great way to build a foundation of positivity, which will carry you through the day and motivate you to take care of yourself. Lastly, don't forget the importance of connection. Staying socially engaged can boost your mood, reduce feelings of loneliness, and even improve your physical health. Whether it's calling a friend, participating in a hobby group, or just chatting with a neighbor, staying connected with others keeps your spirits high and your mind active. Even just spending time with a loved one, Sharing stories or enjoying a laugh together can have incredible benefits for your mental health. As we near the end, I want you to remember this. These exercises, these small steps, are all part of taking control of your life and your health. They may seem simple, but they have the power to make a huge difference in how you feel and how well you move. So don't wait for tomorrow. Start today, and remember that it's never too late to begin. Your independence is within your reach, and you are more capable than you might realize. Small changes can lead to big results, whether it's a few minutes of walking, a simple stretch, or just taking the time to breathe deeply and be thankful. Every effort counts. You've got this, and every step you take, no matter how small, is a victory. Thank you for spending this time with me today. If you found these exercises helpful, I encourage you to share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you think or how you're incorporating these into your daily routine. And if you haven't already, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips to help you live a full, healthy, and independent life. Here's to living your best life, no matter your age. Stay strong, stay moving, and keep believing in yourself.